Hey, it's Candice Quinn, and I'm going to talk to you today about that little voice in our head that tells us we shouldn't speak up. We don't know the answer. Oh, we're wrong. We're not far enough in to say something. Why are we saying something? No, don't do that. What is that? Oh, that's imposter syndrome. And yes, every attorney has it. And if they don't, they're lying to you. Maybe you just closed a great deal, but you still have doubts about your abilities, or you still have doubts that you did everything right. Maybe you just think you got lucky and anyone could have lucked into that situation. If that sounds familiar, then you're dealing with imposter syndrome, which all attorneys do. In fact, it's actually an epidemic in the legal profession. I've even been to CLEs that talk about imposter syndrome. Doesn't have to ruin your career though, and for most of us, it's just kind of hanging there. So today, I'm going to share 5 ways that you can handle imposter syndrome so that you can approach your work with the confidence that you actually have. Number 1, name the critic. First things first, you need to separate yourself from that little voice in your head that's telling you, you are an imposter. It's that voice that says you're not good enough. It's that voice that says you just got lucky. It's not really you. It's just noise. Here's what I like to do. Give that little voice a name. You can give it a silly name like nitpicker or fraudster, or you could I don't know, call it like Emily. Whatever fits. But when you name it, you give it distance. Instead of, I'm terrible at this, you get to think, there goes Emily again, cutting me down. It sounds simple, but it's so powerful. You start to recognize that these thoughts aren't facts. They're just patterns, and patterns can be broken. Number 2, build your evidence board. Imposter syndrome thrives on selective memory. It magnifies every mistake and erases every win. So you need to fight back with evidence. Keep a running list of your accomplishments. And when Emily comes to tell you you didn't do something right, tell Emily all the other 20 things you did do right. No matter how big or small, keep track of all of it. So that contract you negotiated and got great terms on, note that. That case you won, note that too. If a client thanked you, put that down. If the partner said you did a great job, put that down. Keep this list somewhere you can see it whenever Emily starts yapping. When Emily says you're not qualified, you go, oh yeah, Emily, let me show you my list. You've been doing the work. You've been succeeding. You might as well remind yourself and Emily of that. Number 3, reconnect with your why. When imposter syndrome gets loud, i.e. Emily keeps shouting at you, it gets hard to remember why you even became an attorney in the first place. So ask yourself, why did you choose law? What drives you about the practice area? Did you want to help people? Did you want to change the law? What is it? Reconnect with that, because the truth is you're not in this career to be perfect. You're there to fulfill a calling that you had. You want to make an impact, and you just need a reminder that you are making an impact. So when you shift from, do I belong here, to what value am I creating? Well, Emily gets shut up when you do that. Number 4, take micro bravery challenges. Confidence isn't built in one moment. It's built through small acts that turn into something bigger. I like to call these micro bravery challenges. Yeah, you're scared to get up there and make that argument, but once you do 10 arguments, well, you might always feel the nerves, but you know you can actually make the argument well. So what's one thing that you avoid because of imposter syndrome? Whatever that is, whether it's speaking up in meetings, whether it's taking first chair on the argument, whatever it is, make yourself do it. But just one small, manageable version of it at a time. Speak up once in a meeting this week, and then maybe once in a meeting next week. Then track what happens. 9 times out of 10, it's not going to be nearly as scary as you imagined it would be. Emily's predictions were wrong. You can actually do the things that she's telling you can't do. You prove to yourself that you can do it, and you prove to Emily that she doesn't know everything. Number 5, hack your support system. You don't have to beat it alone. Look at your network. Who makes you feel confident, supported, and provides mentorship? Whether it's a mentor, a coach, a peer group, no matter what, you can crowdsource these people to support you and be there for you and encouraging. Even if you have a bad day, they'll still encourage you and they'll help you find value in the ways you did succeed. Be strategic about where you need support. Maybe you need help with public speaking, but writing is your strong suit. So seek out public speaking. If you need someone to talk through career decisions, well, seek out that person. Just don't wait until you're drowning to ask for help, because that won't help. Build your support system now so it's there when you need it. And you can kick Emily out the door. Shut that door in her face. You don't need Emily. So there you have it. 5 ways to handle imposter syndrome. Name the critic, build your evidence board, reconnect with your why, take micro bravery challenges, and hack your support system. Just because imposter syndrome is common in law, it does not mean it's a verdict on your career, and don't let it be. Emily is not the judge of you. I want to help you rewrite your script and hack your career. I can help you build unshakable confidence in your skills. So go ahead and schedule a free call with me today. The link is in the pinned comment and the description below. Bye for now, hackers.